Let's see. Hold on, where's my thing at? Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. No. Stop. Let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see how many people are gonna get on this live first before we start counting. It was about 2,000 comments. 2,000 comments plus. Let's see. Drop your numbers on here too. Drop your numbers. Drop your amounts. Keep on dropping your amounts so I could see it in different places. Let's see. It's gonna be real interesting. All right, so we're almost at like 700. All right, so we're at 700. Give it maybe like another 20, 30 seconds. 17, 27, 18, 25, 17. Let's see. 27, 89, 1111. That's crazy. It took a long time to fucking count all these damn dollar bills. That's for one, honestly. Just organize all these things. All right. Okay. Wait, almost at 800. 797. Let's see. 806, 814, 822. Let's keep on going. Let's see. 845. Oh, are we gonna get to 1,000 though? Hold on, wait. Are we gonna get to 1,000 viewers real quick? Hold on, let me just try to go on my thing also, just in case. All right, 872. Climbing. We're climbing. 893. Let's go. Let's keep on going. 904. Let's see. 912. 924. 942. Climbing. We're almost there. 1,000 viewers. 961. Oh, we the lit now though. Hold on, wait. Is Ryan on here? Where Ryan at? 870, 12,000. This and that. Yo, so much of y'all are like super fucking off. Oh God. No. The people that was actually like super, in that ballpark, I feel like they go to the strip club quite often. Definitely. No doubt about it. Months ago. 983. 9. Hold up. 997. Hold up. 1,000, baby. 1,000 viewers. All right, let's get the counting. Let's get the counting. 1,000 viewers. 1,000. Let's go. All right. So I'm gonna count it from left to right. You know what I'm saying? So, let's go. You ready? Let's get it. All right. So let's start from left to right. All right. So now, okay? These are all hundreds, like right here. Okay? So now, 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, $1,900, 2,000, 2,100, 2,200, 2,300, 2,400, 2,500, 2,600, 2,601, 2,602, 2,603, 2,604, 2,605. The number is $2,605. That's the total. So all of this is only 2605. 2605. That is the lucky number. So if you got 2605 is the lucky number. So hold on, wait. Let me put it right here. Hold on, wait. 2605. Hold up, pin. So 2605 is the number. I seen some people that said 2600, some people that said 2654 and all that. But I'm gonna go through all the comments now, see who was the closest. No one got 2605. You know what I'm saying? But I seen 2600 in certain places. So I'm gonna actually dig in to see when exactly they sent that number in the comments and in the DMs and go from there. So the $2,605 is the total amount, all right here. I know it looks like a crazy amount, but at the end of the day, it's all ones. So it's just not anything crazy. It's heavy as shit, but it looks good, but it's not that much. 2605 is the lucky number. So I'm gonna holla at y'all. Thanks everybody for coming on. Over 1,100 viewers on this live right here. So appreciate everybody, and let's see who the lucky winner or winners are.